Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Doug from Godzilla vs. Kong. Now, this is the creature that showed up in the movie right as Kong had just got to Hollow Earth and was running through the area. So I hope you guys get to follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Doug from Godzilla, we're going to begin right over here and we're going to start with the face. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to go down, then it's going to come up and then down like this. Next we're going to draw a line that's going to go down and up for the eye. And I'm going to add a couple little lines underneath here. Starting here, I'm going to add a little circle, and I'm going to color most of that in except a little bit at the top. Starting here, we'll make a line that's going to go up and down for that little eyebrow ridge. And right over here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go out, and then it's going to come down. I'm going to make another little line that's going to go up and down over here for the other eyebrow ridge. I'm going to make two little dots right here for the nose. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to come back here for the mouth. Then I'm just going to curve it up a little bit. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, it's going to go up, and then it's going to come out here. And we're going to make a line that's going to go down, we're going to come back here. Then I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve around for the jaw. Now for the teeth aren't very big right now, so we're just going to make some kind of small little sharp teeth in here that go all the way to the back, and then we're going to put some along the bottom too, just some small little sharp teeth. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to go down and it's going to curve up, and we'll do another one here. We'll draw a line that's going to go down and then come up. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down, and then we'll start here, we'll make another one that's just going to go down for like the chest. Starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down with a little bit of a curve. Then we'll draw another line that's going to come down. And one more that's going to come down here. Next, we'll draw a line that's going to go out. It's going to come down to a point and then back for one of the toes. We'll make another one that does the same thing. We're going to come down and then back. And then one more here, another one's going to come down to a point and then up. I'm going to bring this line up here, and we're going to bring it up to here. Over here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and it's going to come in. And we'll make another one that's going to come down here. We'll make another little line down, and we'll draw a line that's going to come down to a point and then back. We'll make another one that goes down and comes back. One more here to a point, and then one more here. Next, we're going to bring this line up and then in. Now, starting up here by the eye, I'm going to draw a line that comes out, and then it's going to come down. Then I'm going to make another one. It's going to go over and down. Then we're going to make a few more that just kind of do the same thing down here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down a little bit farther. Then I'm going to bring this line down and then up for the stomach. Right here, we're going to draw a line that's just going to come down. And then we're going to make a little line that's going to come down here. To draw this foot, we'll draw a line that comes down to a point and back. Another one's going to come down to a point and back. One more over here, and then one more right here. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come out, and then it's going to curve up. Starting here, I'm going to draw another little line that's just going to come up here. And I'm going to draw a small line that comes down, and then I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go down and over. I'll draw one more here, and we're going to make this line go up and then back. Starting here, I'm going to draw this line down, and I'm going to bring it right to about here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a long line that's just going to curve up, and it's going to come around. Then I'm going to bring it back down, and we're going to get a little bit bigger as we keep coming down towards the body. Now, this is our basic shape of Doug. Now we just want to come in here and add some of the different details and everything on here. So I'm going to start by making some little lines by the face. And I'm going to draw a couple more little lines right by the eye. I want to make a little line that comes back and then a couple little lines down. And I'm going to do a few broken lines right around the top and then the bottom of the mouth. Maybe add a little extra line in there. I'm going to make some little broken lines coming down the back of the face. And I'm going to add some broken lines coming right up towards the top. I'll add some claws on here, and I always like to add an extra little line or two for some more detail on the feet. So we'll just add some of those here. And I'm going to put some more over here as well. I'm going to make some long broken lines coming down the arms. We'll do them on both arms here. And we'll put some right along here as well. I'm going to make some long broken lines right along the stomach. And I'm going to put some long lines up here. I like to add a few little curved lines over here just to kind of show where the tail is kind of twisting and moving. And a couple little more curved lines around here. I'm going to add a few kind of little bumps along here for some of the little spikes that Doug has. And we're going to add a few little bigger ones as we come down here. They're going to get a little bit pointier, but they're not going to be super big. They're just going to be a little bit smaller. So we're just going to make some little pointy ones. I'm going to add some little lines that just kind of go down and up, just to show there's like a little bit of difference between the top and then the bottom. I'm going to make some more of these little spike shapes right along the tail. And then when we get to the tail, they're going to be kind of spikes on each side here. I'm going to add a few more kind of little spikes right on the inside. So we're just going to make some more spikes here, a little line underneath each one for some extra detail. I'm also going to put a few little spikes right along the arms, and then a couple small spikes right along the sides here. We can also put a few more right along the tail. Just a few more little extra spikes for some details. Then I'm just going to add a few more broken lines on here in some different spots, just to make a little bit more detail on here. Maybe a few more lines up there. A couple little curved lines right by the feet. And maybe a couple kind of broken oval shapes right there, just for some detail. Then you can always come in and add a few little lines onto some of these spikes, just to make them look a little bit more 3D. And I'm just going to add a couple more little lines right by the face. And there you go, there is your drawing of Doug from Godzilla vs. Kong. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.